Well, greetings and welcome to The View from the Road, my mostly weekly video chronicling my adventures in the Thompson School District in the greater Loveland area. I will begin by talking about the weather, because I always do. It was really weird this morning. There was a sheet of ice on everything, unexpected, because it's been warm and then it got cold and there was some precipitation. I even saw a kid wipe out on the sidewalk when I was walking Tim to school, so be safe out there. It's all mostly melted now, but you know, this is Colorado. It can change on a dime. What's going on this week? Well, we've got tryout nights, and this video should be coming out Wednesday, so that means tonight is the tryout over at New Vision Charter School. That runs from about 4 to 6, so if you're going to be considering going to New Vision, please come on over, try out some instruments. I'll be there, and we're going to have some fun. We got other tryout nights that are coming up. Spring break is next week, and so we've got a bunch of them coming up right after that. And again, this is our chance to explore instruments and find out what really suits you for your musical voice. We've got repairs coming in. We're doing all kinds of stuff, as again, we've talked about. We're trying to get these done before the summer, before the school year is out, because this is the time of year that we can really do more of that kind of stuff, because once we hit the summer, then everyone sends in their stuff. So the earlier the better, first in, first out. And then we've got concerts. Now remember, I've talked about this before, but I'll say it again. Concerts, it's super awesome. It's the whole reason we do what we do. The concert is not the accomplishment. The performance is not the accomplishment. The accomplishment is preparing for the performance. And why do I phrase it that way? Because no matter how the performance goes, you've already succeeded. What the accomplishment actually is getting ready for it, is working together as a team, preparing the music, being a cohesive unit. And if you've done that, then it doesn't matter what happens in the performance, it's all going to be great. So a lot of stuff going on. Looking forward to spring break next week, because a couple easier days would be nice. So that is your view from the road. As always, check out the other videos in the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below with what you think and what you want to see, and we'll catch up with you next time.
Thank you for riding along and seeing The View from the Road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.